Photoshop can help match a font in a photograph to one that you have installed or one that's available in Adobe Fonts in order to use that typeface in your own work. I'm going to select the Perspective Crop tool, and then I'll just use the frame around this sign here in order to help me to define the perspective. I just want to straighten it so that Photoshop has more information and better information that it can use in order to match the font. All right, I'll tap Enter in order to apply that, and then I'll switch to the regular crop tool, and I'm just going to add some additional space here. Then I'll tap the T key in order to select the Type tool, and let's just choose a typeface and click in the image area. I'm just going to type in Gulch and then tap Command Return in order to apply that. I'll tap the V key in order to just reposition it a bit in the canvas area. Now I'll select the Marquee tool by tapping the M key and draw a marquee around the text that I want Photoshop to match. Then I'll make sure that I have the type layer selected as well as the type tool, so I'll tap T. Under the type menu, I can choose Match Font, and Photoshop will show me similar fonts that I have installed, as well as fonts that are available on Adobe Fonts. So if I want to see what this typeface would look like, I just double-click on it, and it looks like a pretty good match. So I'll select that and then click OK. One thing before we wrap up, just a tip, this will only work with Latin fonts. So there you go, an easy way in which you can match fonts that you see in your photographs to use them in your own work.